feels good. It feels good. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Jamala. So we're just gonna hop right into this video. So I'm parting my hair down the middle for this sleek ponytail, and it's gonna be a knot bun ponytail. So I'm gonna part my hair into sections. I've split it down the middle, and then I'm gonna do 2 in the front and then leave the section in the back. And this is just gonna help make sure that my ponytail is extra sleek and able to like mold it properly. So that's all I'm doing here, and I'm just prepping my hair for this hairstyle. I'm gonna go around the perimeter of my head just so that I can flat iron it to make sure that, you know, there's no kinks. I'll be using Got2b to mold my hair into place. So I'm just going to start in the back, and I'm going to go in small sections and going over with a blow dryer on a cold setting, and then towards the end I'll switch it to more of a warm setting just to make sure that it's super dry. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that all through the back of my head, and then I'll start working on the front. Now that the back section is done and I just made sure to put that in a ponytail, I'm gonna start with the front of my hair, and I'm going to just go in small sections like I did in the back. And as I'm doing this, I'm just making sure that, you know, it's nice and in place, that there's no cracks or anything like that, because that's not cute. So I'm just going to take my time on this. You'll see that I'm making sure I'm positioning the hair as I'm going, and just, you know, ensuring that, you know, this is nice and sleek. So that's all that I'm going to do for the front section, and then I will start on the other side as well. I just want to say that, your girl has finally got this molding technique down. I think this ponytail for sure, or bun, whatever, this definitely turned out really good, and it looks good because of my hair being molded. Now, if y'all want to go, ooh, my voice. Anyways, if y'all want to go and see how, your girl has improved, go check out my fishtail video. That was, I think, the first time I tried molding. Might not have been, but anyways, I remember that. So it didn't turn out really good at all. So you can see how far that I came, and just a plug for myself. Yeah, and subscribe to your girl's channel, because why not? Now that everything's molded into place, I'm going to go over with some Got2b just one more time. And then I'm going to use some styling strips just to further lay the hair and protect it from, messing up or anything like that as I begin creating the knot bun in the back. I went ahead and braided my hair in the back, and then I'm going to begin to wrap the hair around. So I'm using this straight organic, I think it's from Shake and Go. I'll have it down in the description box, but this was only $10, y'all, so definitely go cop that. So I'm just going to use a styling strip to wrap around my braid in the back just to protect my hair from the glue that I'll be using, and using Got2b just to seal that off. And then I'm going to go over with some rubber bands just to make sure that it's extra secure. But yeah, definitely go get this hair. It was in 24 inches, so it was a nice length, and I feel like the longer the hair, the easier it is to make this bun. So I'm going to go use some hair glue at the bottom of this track, and then I'm going to attach that to my braid in the back and just begin wrapping around. So I'm starting from the bottom as usual, and then I'm just going to continue to wrap that around. I'll use some glue in between as I continue to go, but you don't need to use it continuously around. Make sure to leave a small section out just to wrap around the base of the bun once it's done. And I just took that from the back of the hair. So I'm just going to go ahead and detangle it some more. And then I'm going to begin to create my twist. So the key is to begin twisting from the top, or like the end of where your braid is within the ponytail. I don't know if I'm explaining that right, but y'all see what I'm doing. And you're just going to twist down the hair. So continue to twist down almost till you get to the end, and then begin wrapping, but make sure that you continue to like twist as you go. Don't just wrap it around, but continue to twist it. And then once you get towards the top, all that I didn't understand how people like made sure that it didn't unravel. So I just put a rubber band around it just to make sure that it didn't come out of place. And then I made sure to wrap that end piece around super tight so that it doesn't unravel. And then I just used Got2b to seal that off, and some bobby pins. And that is all that I did. And then I'm just going to go in and try to clip some of those flyaways away. It was kind of hard because I did this on myself. But yeah, so now I'm just going to go ahead and lay my baby hairs. And that is pretty much all that I did for this hairstyle for my first time. I think it turned out really good. So yeah, let me know what y'all think below. And you could definitely use this with braiding hair. I think I'm going to try that next time. But yeah, that is it. Okay, so this is her all finished. My big head, she's coming out to play, she's making her appearance, but I still look cute. I feel good. I look good. I'm feeling it all. So yeah, I'm feeling this hairstyle. It definitely didn't take any time at all. For my first time, of course, I had a little bit of mishaps here and there, but it still turned out pretty good. So yeah, I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, beautiful.